Quick reading for November the 5th to November the 6th, water signs, may nagpapakipot dito, no? Kunyari hindi pinapansin, kunyari ayaw na, kunyari doing something busy, doing something else, pero in their peripheral mind, eyes, nakikita nila or they are still observing the person, no? It could be na hindi siya kinakausap, no? But then again, nag-e-expect, no, or nagwe-wait si person. It could be also you who's waiting, no, na bakit hindi na ako kinakausap, ba't hindi na siya nagme-message, I'm expecting naman, pero pag nag-message, hindi naman kakausapin. So, meron ditong parang mixed signals, no, na nangyayari. Again, the mixed signals can be emitted by you or your person, but one thing is for sure, kung meron man ditong coldness, it's not actually coldness, no? Parang gusto lang sanang suyuin. Sabihin natin nagpapabebe in a way, but this is your quick reading, water signs, November the 5th to November the 6th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am